Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted snaps on Snapchat for iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Snapchat app from your home screen. Once the app opens, make sure you're signed in to the correct account where your deleted snaps were stored. This method checks whether Snapchat still has a copy of your account data available for export now. Tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. After your profile page opens, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. This will take you to all of your Snapchat account settings. Next, scroll down through the settings page until you find the My Data option. Tap on it to access your account data management page. This is where Snapchat allows you to request a copy of your stored account information. Here, enable Export Your Memories first. After that, turn on Export Shared Stories. Export chat media and other media as well. Once all four options are enabled, tap Next in the bottom right corner to continue. Now, choose All Time under the Export Data option, so Snapchat includes all available data. Confirm that your email address is correct, then tap Submit at the bottom right corner. Snapchat will begin preparing your data request. After some time, Snapchat will send you an email with your exported account data if it's available. If your deleted snaps are included in the export, you can download them and save them to your iPhone's Photos app. If the deleted snaps are not included, unfortunately, they cannot be recovered through Snapchat. And that's how you can try to recover deleted snaps on Snapchat for iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.